Okay, so this is my new daughter-in-law. It's the daughter I always wanted. This is Brianna. This is Jack Jr.'s new wife. Some of you saw it. If you haven't seen it, it's on the live feed. Your wedding was beautiful. She had the perfect weather. It was gorgeous out. Everything went beautiful. She looked beautiful. He looked handsome. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. And some of you who bought gifts off the registry, we just want to say thank you. All right. And some of you have asked me to post the registry links. Last time I'm doing it. I'm only going to put it down below once. So it'll be down below this video. Will be the registry links for any of you who want to give them well wishes. So you want to say anything about the wedding?
It was beautiful, and it just turned out even better than I could have expected, and I really appreciate all of you guys that sent us stuff. It means a lot.
That's so cool. All right, anyway, the reason I have her here is because, now, are you a mac and cheese fanatic? You like mac and cheese?
I mean, I'm okay with mac and cheese, but I'm really a fan of Cheetos.
That's why she's here.
So.
She's here because I'm just, I wasn't that excited, but I thought this combination was really cool, the Cheetos combined with mac and cheese. So we're going to bring you in close, and I'm going to talk about all three of these. And then once I prepare it, I'm going to have her taste it. We're going to see what she thinks, because she can be a mac and cheese aficionado, okay? So she'll tell you what's good. She'll tell you which one's her favorite. And then we'll leave it up to you to try them all out. All right? So come on in close. That's it. Okay, guys, so we're doing this according to the box. The box says 2 tablespoons of butter and a 1/4 cup of milk in each one. So we got it all ready. So what we're going to do is bring the bowl macaroni over here. We've got our flaming hot jalapeno, cheesy jalapeno, and bold and cheesy, okay? So we're keeping everything in order. The macaroni is all the same. We're going to cook it all and bring 3 bowls of hot macaroni over to here. So it's going to be cool. All right, guys. Took about 7 minutes to boil the macaroni and cook it all. And we got them all laid out. So we're going to bring Brianna back and let her try out. They smell amazing. I could smell them standing here. So let's put the boxes up here so you can see which one we're trying. There we go.
You can see in the back.
Okay, so we're going to start off with the mildest one. This is bold and cheesy. Get that flavor in there. It just came off the stove. Might be a little warm. Be careful.
It tastes just like Cheetos.
Just like Cheetos?
Yeah.
Just like you took a bag of Cheetos and poured it in
It's
there and
exactly
stirred
what
it.
it tastes like.
Now, you had, this is the cheesy jalapeno. Mm-hmm. You've had those Cheetos too? Mm-hmm. All right, go ahead. Now, she's had all 3 flavors on the chips, so she knows what they all taste like, but on macaroni and cheese is totally different. It may be good, may not be good. I don't know.
Again, it tastes just like the Cheetos. Kind of weird as a macaroni, but not like a bad weird. Just like, I'm not accustomed to it weird.
Okay,
like,
guys.
I would eat it again.
Let me know if you know what weird is, but not a bad weird. Okay, so let's go for the hottest one. Nice. The hottest one. Watch out. 5 alarm.
Well, it won't
I'm backing up a little bit, just in case. Okay, she's safe. I can come in.
They all literally taste exactly like the Cheetos.
Okay, so you're saying that no matter what flavor you like, you're going to like this.
Yeah, I think that if you like any of those flavors, if you just transfer them onto macaroni, it's almost as if they like the dusty stuff that they put on the chip is what they poured into the macaroni.
Okay, which one could you sit down and eat?
Probably the cheesy jalapeno.
Really?
I wasn't expecting that, but yeah, probably.
Really? So you lean towards that the most. All right. Well, I just want to say thank you for helping me decide which one you like. I'll give them a try, but thank you so much. All right, so we'll now she tried which spoon? You did that side, right? Tammy's being weird. She brings us 2 spoons. Can you believe that? I'm like, really? We don't need. I mean, she gets a spoon, I get a spoon. We just go to each bowl. That's what I would do. So anyway, let me start on the mild. Okay, we're gonna start with this one. I don't eat Cheetos. Oh, that is. That's like I just ate a bag of Cheetos. I've had Cheetos, but I don't eat on a regular basis, so that's really good. Very mild. I could totally replace Kraft macaroni and cheese with this piece of cake. All right, let's try the jalapeno one. That one's better. That's just cheesy. This has got a nice little kick to it. I could feel the heat on the back of my throat. That means this one's going to be amazing. Are you ready? Let's try it out. That's my favorite. The hottest one is awesome. It's flaming hot. My mouth's on fire. I love it. All right. This is her favorite. This is my favorite. Trust me when I say these are delicious. Try them out and let us know which one's your favorite, all right? I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.